On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck? Want to go play in the snow? Got some packages going out. Thank you. We got about, maybe, let's see, look at the roof for that. Maybe 15 inches of snow, roughly. I don't want to pack it down, so I'm going to plow the driveway and then take Minnie out. Okay, Minnie? Drop off those mail packages that are going out. A few key tags, stickers. We got a couple t-shirt orders, but my supplier didn't get them, and I noticed it after about 6 days after they were ordered. They never fulfilled it, so I had to go in and I asked them, and they said somehow 2 t-shirts slipped. Well, I put them in manually last Friday, so you should be getting them shortly. Sorry about that. I hope she starts. Oh yeah, no problem. See how you do in the snow. That's 2-wheel drive. Not great in 2-wheel drive, Minnie. Do 4 high. That's a big pile. We'll measure how deep. Should we go down and back and risk it? We'll risk it all, Minnie. If we get stuck, there's no one here to tow us. Get down here and we'll do a little measurement of how much snow there actually is. Of course, it never looks as deep as it actually is. And we'll stop like right here. Pretty deep. Wow. Okay, so we got about 11 inches. That's what she said. About 11 inches. Pretty deep, Minnie. Ain't nothing for you though. Nothing. Whoops. Too much junk in the trunk. See if we can make it out of here. Oh crap. There is. There's a limb down. I didn't notice before. We'll avoid that, hopefully. Uh-oh. Time for low. Low, second we'll try. For a minute there, Minnie. Woo! mini girl in a mini world. You're doing it, girl. No problem. Oh, that was a little scary. Oh, a little crossed up there, Minnie. Something dragging on Minnie underneath, barely. I think that's the pumpkin, the rear differential. I think that had 13 inches of clearance, and that's just touching, so. Whoa, Minnie. Minnie is a trailblazer. Uh-oh, big tree. Didn't see that, Minnie. Fogging up. Yeah, it's a pretty big log. Don't think we're gonna make that one, Minnie. Don't think we're gonna be able to back out of here either. Backed her up. I don't know. You think we can get down that way? I think so. Let's try it. Yep, Minnie's a trailblazer. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Had enough, Minnie? Alright. I won't abuse you anymore. Let's hit the post office. Hi. Didn't even have to use the lockers, Minnie. Drop some mail. Lockers. Do our diff lock. Drift time. Whoa. Minitruck drift. Yeah, I saw that drift video that someone else put up. They had a bunch of mini trucks drifting. Mini truck drift. These guys are gonna come out and get mad at me. Mini tracks. supercharger.
You are fake news.
Every time I try to get myself worked up, psyched out to do it, I talk myself out of it because I don't want to put Minitruck down. I know y'all want me to probably play with Minnie some more, but it's time to put her away.
Come on, man.
Crank manual windows. That could be why when you go down a road fast, the snow packs into the rim. That is why when you go down a road, after you go through deep snow, it packs into the rim. See it? And it throws everything off balance. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.